Dear friends, in this video we will see the solution of system of linear equations to find the values of unknowns x, y and z. Here we will see how to find solution for system of linear equations using Python or Numpy. Here we have taken a question which tells that what are the values of x, y and z that satisfy the following system of linear equations. In this question we have three equations. First one is x plus 2y plus 3 of z is equal to 6. Second one is x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 8. And third equation is 2x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 12. And that are written here in the matrix form. After solving this system of linear equations, we will see which option will satisfy. This system of linear equations is equivalent to a matrix equation of the form mu is equal to v, where M is a matrix which contains the element 1 2 3, 1 3 4 and 2 2 3. Here u is an unknown containing a column vector with the entities x, y and z. In this question, we have three linear equations in x, y and z. Here M is the matrix with an element M11 is equal to 1, M12 is equal to 2, M13 is equal to 3. In the second row and first column, the element named as M21 and that the value of M21 is 1. Similarly, the M22 is 3, M23 is 4. Here the matrix element M31 is 2, M32 is 2 and M33 is 3. Here V is a column vector with I entities containing the values 6, 8 and 12. The matrix equation of the form mu is equal to V can be written as u is equal to m inverse V. Here in this system of linear equations we have three equations and three unknowns. Now let's start the Jupyter notebook to solve this system of linear equations to find the values of unknowns x, y and z. Go to the start menu and search Jupyter. Now after clicking on Jupyter notebook, we will see the interface of Jupyter notebook. Now go to the new option and by clicking on new, we will go to the Python 3 and after clicking on Python 3 we can rename the job by going to file. Now we will see how to solve system of linear equations using Numpy in Python. We will see how to create a matrix M and a vector V as Numpy arrays and solve the set of equations with linalg.solve command. Before defining the inputs like matrix M and vector V, let's write the import numpy as np. Now let's define the input parameter matrix M with the corresponding elements in the matrix form. M is equal to np dot array. Now we then need each row in separate square bracket. So the first row is 1, 2, 3 and separate these by commas. Then we have second rows in a square column with the element 1, 3, 4 and separate these by commas. Then we have 2, 2, 3. So this one is the M matrix. Now print the matrix M as print M. So the matrix looks like after running. Yeah, look like this. To find the unknowns, we have defined M as a matrix. Now we have to define V. Now we will define vector V as capital V is equal to np.array with the element of column vector 6, 8, 12. Now print v vector, print capital V. After running, it will looks like. Now we have defined the inputs parameter like as matrix M and the column vector V, and we need unknown vector U. Now for the value of U, the capital U is written as capital U is equal to np.linalg dot solve command. With m comma v are the arguments of the command. Here we are using linear algebra package of Numpy. Now the print command u gives the value of x, y and z.